Hello students, welcome to part 15 of chapter 11 Enhancement in Food Production. Today we are going to discuss the last part, how microorganisms are used as biofertilizers. First we will discuss about rhizobium. These rhizobium, they are rod-shaped bacteria. They are motile because they are flagellated bacteria. They are aerobic. Aerobic, they need oxygen for respiration. They are gram-negative, non-spore forming, nitrogen-fixing bacteria. They have two types of genes, the nod genes which help in formation of nodules and the nif genes which helps in fixing nitrogen. They form symbiotic association. They stay in the roots of leguminous plants forming nodules. In the cortical cells, they form colonies and they stay there. They fix the atmospheric nitrogen, convert it into organic forms like the nitrites, the nitrates, which can be used by the plants to form nutrients like amino acids, like proteins, like enzymes, etc. for growth. For example, Rhizobium leguminosaurum, it is specific to pea plant, and Rhizobium physioli is specific to bean plants. Beans. So all types of leguminous plants, tur, moong, chana, beans, pea, they are associated with these rhizobium. Symbiotic association is there. Now, why are the healthy root nodules pink in color? Because these root nodules of leguminous plants, they contain a pigment called as leg hemoglobin. What is the role of this leg hemoglobin? It is acting as an oxygen scavenger. It takes away oxygen and supplies it to rhizobium, which is an aerobic nitrogen fixing bacteria. And simultaneously, it will protect the enzyme nitrogenase. It will keep the oxygen away from nitrogenase enzyme so that it is not inactivated or denatured, and it can convert the nitrogen to nitrite and nitrate. So it is keeping oxygen away from nitrogenase enzyme and providing this oxygen to rhizobium. So this is important function of leg hemoglobin, which gives pink color to the root nodules of healthy plants. Second example we'll see about Acetobacter. It is a rod-shaped, free-living bacteria, flagellated, motile bacteria, aerobic bacteria, again which needs oxygen for respiration. It is non-photosynthetic. It does not has any pigments to carry out photosynthesis, but it helps in nitrogen fixation, usually associated with roots of grasses, the non-leguminous plants such as rice, cotton, vegetables, etc. So Acetobacter, free living, aerobic, non-photosynthetic, nitrogen fixing bacteria. Now let us discuss about Anabina. Anabina, it is a multicellular filamentous cyanobacteria. It is a blue-green algae and it is existing as a plankton. Okay, it is present inside a fern, free floating fern, which is Azolla. Azolla is a free floating fern. Okay, aquatic fern which usually grows with the rice crops, the paddy crops. It has a floating rhizome. Rhizome is underground fleshy stem, and it has bilobed leaves. Inside the bilobed leaves, there is a on the dorsal surface there is parenchyma tissue, and in the parenchyma tissue these cyanobacteria Anabina are present. They are existing as planktons. Planktons are those which moves with the water current. They are also present in the coralloid roots of cycas. They are also found in the anthoceros, which is a bryophyta. What is the function of this Anabina? This Anabina, it helps in fixing atmospheric nitrogen and converting it into nitrites and nitrates. It has a specialized region which is called as heterocyst. So this filamentous form, it has having a specialized region which is the heterocyst, and this heterocyst, it is colorless, and this acts as a site for nitrogen fixation. So Anabina, blue-green algae, which is present in symbiotic association with free-floating fern Azolla, it is acting as a nitrogen fixer and helping the plants as a biofertilizer, especially paddy crops or in cycas plants or in anthoceros. Let us now discuss about azospirillum. It is again a rod-shaped bacteria, aerobic bacteria, free living, living in the soil, and it is usually associated with roots of corn, wheat, and jawar, all types of cereals. And it fixes a considerable quantity of nitrogen, almost 20 to 40 kg nitrogen per hectare in non-leguminous plants such as cereals, millets, cotton, oilseeds, etc. So students, we have discussed today about first about rhizobium rod-shaped bacteria which are present in the root nodules of leguminous plants, Acetobacter which is a free-living, azospirillum which is again a free-living aerobic bacteria associated usually with the non-leguminous plants, and Anabina which was found in the as a cyanobacteria in the azolla. So with this we have completed a big chapter. In next video we'll start with a new topic, control and coordination. Thank you.